My name is Michael UDOH. I'm a retired oil and gas worker. Genetic Technologies was actually referred to me through a friend who bought one of your equipments, and I did some research about you guys online, and I was impressed with what I saw, so I had to visit your office and close the deal on the equipment I currently have. So far, it's about 3 months. First, I was very impressed on the professional approach the team handled the installation, and it has been seamless. It has so far met my expectations. Given my experience so far, I think I would definitely recommend Genetic Technology. The first thing that I was impressed with was that it came with just 4 panels with high wattage on the solar panel, so it didn't have cost to buy multiple panels and cover the entire roof. So those 4 panels with high wattage was configured to meet my needs. So I will definitely recommend Genetic Technologies. The estate generally was designed for 24 hours, but due to high cost of diesel, we are having about 6 hours of downtime. That's mostly in the daytime. So this installation was basically to cover that downtime for me, and it has been extremely very useful, and it's very efficient. We haven't had any major issue to call for one, but at the initial stage when the installation was going, they followed up throughout the week and ensured that everything was done satisfactorily and was running smoothly. What I will say is, for every of your clients, ensure you keep the relationship. Whether there is issue or not, it's cost to call and find out how the system is working. We shouldn't wait until there is an issue. In that way, multiple people will be impressed, and you'll be able to keep your clients.